water spout. This is amazing. See if we can zoom in a little bit. So you can back out a bit. Look at there we go. Yeah, it's a water spout, yeah. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. Yeah. Okay, so here we are on the Carnival Pride off the coast of Florida, and we're watching a water spout for, guessing about 50 miles off to our west. Yeah, that is really cool. Yeah, it's big. It's gotten a lot bigger too. Yeah, there it goes. You can just watch it, eh? See if we can get in. Yeah. Come on, zoom, don't lose